Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recover your MetaMask password. Immediately open your wallet recovery screen and have your 12 or 24-word secret recovery phrase ready. I will guide you step by step through verifying your phrase, restoring the wallet, and resetting a new password while avoiding phishing and other common mistakes. Stay calm and follow each step exactly to regain access safely and minimize risks. Start by opening MetaMask and choosing the import option for secret recovery phrase. Carefully type each word in the correct order, checking spelling and spaces to avoid errors that block recovery. After the wallet accepts the phrase, set a new strong password and enable recommended security features. Consider using a reputable password manager and store the recovery phrase offline to prevent future lockouts or compromise. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has smart voice control and powerful cleaning, which is great when you need fewer chores and more focus on security tasks. It makes home upkeep simple while you manage your wallets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the recovery phrase is rejected, pause and inspect for extra spaces, punctuation, or swapped words that often cause failures. If you initially used a different phrase length, test that variant carefully without guessing words. Avoid third-party recovery tools or offers promising miracles, and reach out to official MetaMask support through the app if you remain stuck. Stay cautious to keep your funds safe while troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.